Everything in existence, from the movement of galaxies to the beating of your heart, follows a rhythm, a divine law. These are the laws of nature, the eternal principles that keep the universe in balance and harmony. Science shows us that nothing in nature happens by chance. From Newton's laws of motion to the law of gravity, from thermodynamics to biological evolution, every phenomenon follows perfect order. Even the smallest atom moves by divine intelligence. But nature is not just physical, it's also spiritual. There are laws that govern our inner world, like the law of karma, law of balance, and law of cycles. Whatever we give returns to us. Every imbalance corrects itself. That's how the universe keeps harmony between action and consequence. Beyond the physical and spiritual lies the cosmic. The law of vibration tells us everything is energy in motion. The law of attraction teaches what we focus on, we become. And the law of polarity reminds us every opposite is part of one truth. Light and darkness, life and death, both necessary for creation. When we live in alignment with these laws, life flows effortlessly. We find peace not by control, but by understanding. Nature teaches, nothing is rushed, yet everything is accomplished. The more we understand the laws of nature, the more we understand ourselves, because we are not separate from this universe. We are part of the same eternal rhythm.